Amazing facts about our world. The world we live in is full of many amazing things that make it very special for all people. There are high mountains that reach into the sky, and there are deep oceans that cover most of the earth. Our world has deserts that are hot and dry, and it also has forests that are green and full of life. Many animals live in these different places, and each animal is important for nature. People also build cities, roads, and houses that change the way the world looks. Every part of the earth has something unique to show us, and it makes our planet very interesting. When we look around, we can always find something new to learn. One amazing fact is that water covers more than 70% of our planet, but most of it is salt water in the oceans. Only a small part of the water is fresh and good for drinking, and that water is very important for all life. Another amazing fact is that the Amazon rainforest produces a large amount of the oxygen that people and animals need to breathe. The Sahara Desert is the biggest hot desert in the world, and it is full of sand and very high temperatures. The Earth also has very cold places, like Antarctica, where ice covers almost everything. These different places show how diverse and surprising our planet is. Every part of the world tells us a story about life on Earth. Another interesting fact is that people come from many cultures, and each culture has its own language, music, and traditions. The world has more than 7 billion people, and everyone lives in different countries with different ways of life. Some people live in big modern cities with tall buildings and bright lights. Others live in small villages close to nature and farms. Every culture adds something special to the world, and together they make Earth a rich and colorful place. Learning about different people and traditions helps us understand and respect each other better. The more we learn, the more we see how connected we all are. Finally, our world is not only amazing, but also very fragile, and we must take care of it. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are big problems that can hurt our planet. People need to recycle, protect forests, and use clean energy to keep the earth safe. Animals and plants depend on us to make good choices for the future. If we protect nature, our children and grandchildren can also enjoy the beauty of the world. The earth gives us air, water, and food, so we must be thankful and responsible. Taking care of the planet is one of the most important jobs we have. Our world is amazing, and we must work together to keep it that way. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.